Yes, good afternoon, students. We will start the class, and today is the last practical class in Excel. In addition to the Excel, you are also having few exercise, but not for practical, but for theory. I think Bala sir will handle that one for 1 or 2 hours for refreshing the R programming. So tomorrow onwards, we will move purely the theory only. So today, our discussion is about the value at risk. Very, very important concept in basic finance analytics. So far, we have discussed everything in a positive manner. Even I used to say every time you have to think yes, yes. But in case of finance, there is some negative side thinking also. If you are investing in particular shares or in particular security, maximum how much you will lose. See that one. That is the pessimism. How these people are thinking. They wish to have a good idea, but even then, because of some of the risk in investments in securities, now there is a provision that how maximum we will lose. That is called value at risk. That's what today we are going to discuss. Even you can see in the present situation what is going on in at present in CNBC TV 18. You are witnessing now almost some of the companies Nifty, it is going in downward trend. That is in a negative position. It is coming down. Most of the shares now it is going down. Nifty mid cap, Sensex are going down. You can see in the TV news, Sensex is going down, and even the Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, these are all now losing at present time. That is exactly by this time they are losing. So in such case, some of the investors may think they will have a positive thinking over the investment, but even then, is there any risk if anything goes in a default, whether we will lose anything? They may have such type of fear over that one. Because today you can see Sensex is going down. Somebody may invest in Sensex. How they may afraid that if it goes in a negative situation, how much maximum we will lose. That is one-sided view. That we call it as maximum loss we are going to lose in the investment is called the value at risk. It is quite common. Every time we used to calculate only the plus points, what will be the returns we will get every day. But in negative side is also there. How much maximum we will lose. You can see the news what I have shared with you. In the year 2020, even the big organization lost. Of course, due to some COVID pandemic or any other thing. Even you can see Exxon Mobil and Wells Fargo. They lost around 220 billion in market value. See that one. They lost the very huge amount in market. That means there's a decrease in the share prices during this period. So if you have invested in Wells Fargo, maximum how you much you will lose. That is the value at risk nowadays. And as an analyst, you must know clearly. Some investors are asking to you, a customer is asking you clearly, I am going to invest in all these shares. I expect good returns, but even in the negative side, maximum how much I will lose. Somebody may ask like that. You are able to tell that one. If you are creating a nice portfolio, how much you will lose maximum. Previous day we have calculated with the help of the solver. What are all the different combination we can go for investments? We have calculated the proportion of investment and we assume that everything will go in a positive direction. But in case if anything goes on negative side, we must know how much risk we are going to take. Because of that risk, how much we are going to lose. That is called the value at risk. Of course, tomorrow's in theory class we will discuss different methods of calculating the value at risk. You can see in the present news is also going down. If anybody is investing in today's price in share market, they may think, because every shares are going down, whether we can invest today. What went wrong? If you are investing in today's share market, maximum loss, how much we are going to lose? That is the thing we are going to discuss. You can see even today, the heading itself shows that Sensex is losing at present 316 points. Nifty 50 minus, that is 94 points. They are losing even in only few so far plus. Airtel is gaining somewhat, Gail is gaining somewhat, but major stocks they are losing. In this situation, we are going to discuss the concept called value at risk. Now you can open your template, what I have shared with you. That is the VAR calculation template, value at risk calculation template. Okay, open that one template. You open the Excel template of where. Yes, Sam, have you opened? No news. I think he is escaping. Yes, Yasin, have you opened that one?
Yes, sir. Done.
Good. Mm. Yes. Now you can see this template have consists of two parts. You can see in this one. First one is simulation method. Another one is in sheet 2. That is variance and covariance approach to calculate maximum loss if you are investing. Okay. This is based upon the one wealthy fellow but not richest fellow in finance. Okay, he only created all those things. Do you know who is that guy? He is very popular in share market in global level, not Indian level. Who is that person? What happened? No answer. He is creating more wealth. He is advising to a number of persons. Who is that person?
So Warren Buffett.
Yes. Subhashri, you are 99% correct. You can tell that person.
So Warren Buffett.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. You are 99.999% correct. That is Warren Buffett. Why she is not correct for 100%? Man? Maybe this may be created by his own managers or somebody else. This Warren Buffett created for his organization all these templates. This has been actually stolen from that one. Of course, it is legally available. According to him, first he will, when he created a portfolio, he used to find out how much money we will lose first. That is the purpose. There are two methods, historic simulation method and the variance and covariance approach. Anyhow, it is very old one, 2003 itself. These methods have been created, but still now it is working well. But when you are working, you should be very careful with that one. You have to find out clearly and tell to your customers clearly. You may lose. Say, for example, in this example, it shows minus 902.07. It means that you are going to tell to your customer that, that is client, that if you are investing in Wipro, State Bank of India, or Kotak Securities, within maximum of, I think, 200 some days, 200 days, you will lose 902 rupees per share, per unit. That will be your answer. How you are able to tell? That is maximum you will lose. It never means that you are going to lose. That's a probability that you may lose or you may gain. Everybody will aim for returns, but any default happens suddenly. Because today's share market, you can see in CNBC TV 18, is going down. But same thing is continuing for next is 3 months or 6 months. Maximum how we will lose. Here's the example. As per the simulation approach, if you are investing in Wipro, State Bank of India, and Kotak Securities, you will lose maximum 902. Next method says that you can lose maximum 869 rupees per unit. That is the reason. So how these people, they are calculating that one. Okay. Even you can calculate for a portfolio of 5 assets. You can see I have given one, but in this template I have calculated for only 3 assets. But it is possible to calculate for 5 assets. That is, if you want to create a nice portfolio for 5. Okay. Let us see how we can calculate. For this purpose, first we need the share price movements. At least for minimum period of 6 months, we need the share price movements. So let us go for finding out the share price movements. Okay. So how we can find out the shares you are going to invest today? In some of the companies is going down, some of the companies is coming up. Let us create a portfolio. Yes, let us have a balanced one equity, and we can have 2 equities and 1 ETF funds. Okay. Somebody can tell, who can tell? Shurji, you can tell me one of the company. Shurji,
ITC, sir.
ITC. Okay, let us see. ITC. Yes, ITC. So first client ITC, Shurji is saying that she is ready to invest in ITC. Oh, good. For you can see, Shurji clearly estimated at present more Sensex is coming down, but ITC is going in plus. The present share price in market is 214. Let us go for calculate. First, we will consider the ITC. If Shurji wish to invest in ITC, what will be the maximum loss? Let us see first portfolio she created for ITC. We will go for getting at least 6 months prices. Okay. So what I am going to do, go first select the organization, then select daily prices. Because usually we will consider the daily prices, then only we will know the volatility of the prices. That is the purpose of that one. Okay. Let us consider the 6 months period in 2019. Why I am telling 2019, not 2020? 2020 we faced abnormal item, as I already told. That is why I am not considering the 2020. Be clear. I am considering only 2019 for this purpose. The reason is 2020 is an abnormal period. Because COVID, suddenly it is going on flat, suddenly it increased. Most of the time it goes on flat. But of course, in case of Indian markets, they did well compared to any other markets. But to have a normal period, I am selecting 6 months. So let us go for last 6 months of, I think we can select from the July, 1st July to December 31st. 6 months period. Then only we are able to judge clearly. Otherwise, it is waste. Usually they will go for calculating for 1 year, but here I am using only 6 months period. Okay. So be clear, select your stock, then go for daily period. You can submit. Okay. Yes, Durga Prasad, you did it.
So your date was 14
Yes,
1
sir.
2020.
Oh, date. Okay, okay. Date I have to change. 2019 December 31st. Now I think 6 months. 1/7/2019 to 31st/12/2019. Let us go for submit. Yes, the prices are there from 1/7/19. So I am downloading in CSV format. Okay. I'm saving that one in Excel format so that it is easy to work. I am removing all the prices except closing price. For us, closing price is only needed. Okay. So I am renaming that one as ITC. Okay. ITC prices. Yes. Once again, we'll go there. Now, Durga Prasad, you can tell some more company which one we can invest. Durga Prasad, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me one company name which you are ready to invest. One is ITC,
Tata Motors, sir.
Tata Motors. Okay. Everybody is selling very big companies. Okay, Tata Motors. Same date. That is 1/7/2019 to 31st/12/2019. Yes, the data are there. Yes. Now Tata Motors, same thing. You can save as Excel. Okay, I am removing all this thing except closing price. Okay, this is for Tata. I am copying this thing. The same Excel worksheet what we have created previously. Okay. Okay. Have you done for two companies? Subhashri? What
Yes,
have,
sir. Doing so.
okay, ma. Mm.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you're taking the date and the closing price.
Yes. Date and closing price only enough. No more thing. Hmm. Yes, Salim. Salim. Hmm. What happened? Huh? Sai Pranita. No news. Kirtana.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed 2 companies?
Yes, sir.
What are all the companies you are selected?
L&T and Tata Motors, sir.
Okay, my good. Okay, let us go for the third one. Hmm. The third one, Irfan is there. Irfan, you can tell some ETF.
Sir,
Irfan,
Balaji.
Balaji, Bajaj, something. I can't understand what you. Let us see whether the. In case of I entered HDFC banking ETF is there. Okay, Nippon India ETF is there. Okay, same period. That is 172. We'll submit. Yes. Yes, I am saving as just sorry.
Sir, which company you chose, sir?
Now I have selected Bank B's of Exchange Traded Fund. Nippon India ETF. Third portfolio. Because 2 equities and 1 exchange trade fund. Okay. I'm deleting all this thing and you can see Nippon ETF. So I'm copying all these things. Yes. Now I selected 3 companies, that is closing prices only. Hmm? So try to complete all the data input. Yes, Kirtana completed.
It's downloading, sir.
Okay, ma. Good. Sweta.
Doing, sir.
Okay, good. Hmm. Spandana,
Yes, sir.
you have downloaded
Yes, sir.
3 companies.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma. Hmm. Just as suddenly you entered. Hmm? Just as You escaped. Karthik,
Yes, sir.
what are the companies you have selected?
Doing, sir.
Doing. Mhm. What about Balaji? Balaji? No response from Balaji. Durga Prasad, have you completed 3 companies?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, good. Pranit, how many companies you identified?
3, sir.
What are all the?
Sun Pharma, Maruti Suzuki, and HDFC.
Okay, good. Hmm. Jnaneshwari,
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
done.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Hmm. Yes, now listen. So you can check whether the data is available for throughout the 6 months. Okay, that is important. That is why I copied all the dates here. But since all the information we have gathered from the BSc, it is correct because there are 124, sorry, 23 data here. Check that one. If any date it is missing, you have to include something. But here it is not missing. If you are comparing BSc, then one another data from NSC or another data from some other organization, even in case of NYSE or Berlin Stock Exchange, the date won't be same. In such case, you have to make as a common date. Okay. Here there are no issues since all these things we have downloaded from the BSc. So except first date, I am removing remaining date columns. It is only for checking I introduced. If the dates are tallying, then only we can use. One company, one date, another company, another date means it is waste. Be clear with that one. Yes, now coming to the another issue, you can see the date, it starts from 31st December 19 and ends with 1st July. So once again, you have to make it in the ascending order of the date. So be clear. So now I am making that one in the ascending order. Selecting that one. Sorting. Custom sort according to date. Oldest to newest. Use the sort column and arrange. Yes. Now it has been arranged according to date wise. Okay. So now sort that one. Yes, Yasin, completed.
Yes, sir.
Good. Mm. Sai Pranita, have you completed? No news. Lena Deborah. What happened? Vaishnavi. No news. Okay. I will go for then. Subhashri, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are arranged according to date wise. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Salim, Salim,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
have you completed up to this stage?
Yes, sir.
What are all the three companies you have selected?
Sir, same like you, sir.
Why you are doing in the same manner? You should be different, you know. Then you are not unfit for analytics. Everybody will select different companies means then only you will know the position immediately. That is the analytics. What about your friend Sam? Is missing. Okay. Now we'll go for that one using the template. So I am copying this date. I selected ITC, Tata Motors, Nippon. Select, I think we have selected only 123 days data. Copying. Now I am pasting in the template. Here. Okay. After pasting that one, I am removing. We have 31st December only. So remaining data not needed. Wait. So you can check whether you have pasted all the data here. Now I am removing this template. We are having more place. Okay. Yes. From this column, it is unnecessary. This whole data. Yes. Now you can check number of observations is 122. Okay, I am changing the name of the company. I think we have selected ITC, Tata Motors, and Nippon. Okay, have you completed? In the templates, you can remove remaining one. You can delete that one. Yes, Durga Prasad, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Irfan,
Completed, sir.
completed. Okay, good. Yasin,
Yes, sir. Done.
done. Okay. Shruti,
Yes, sir. Done.
done. Okay, now you can see. Now it shows that you are able to read this one clearly. If you are investing 10,000 in ITC, that is value. 10,000 rupees in Tata Motors and Nippon Tata Motors. It means that the equal weightage, you will lose maximum 1211 rupees. That is the maximum value at risk. Remember that this is propounded by the Warren Buffett. So first he used to find out what is the maximum loss. Here, based upon the 6 months data, if you are investing in ITC, Tata Motors and Nippon, equal weightage, then it means that we can lose maximum 1000. That is, if everything goes on negative. Be clear. If everything goes on negative, the share market is not at all showing in the upper direction. Everything is affected. In such cases, maximum we will lose 1211 rupees, provided the price of the shares, that is ITC 270 plus, Tata Motors 161, and Nippon is 3000 something. Totally, if we lose maximum 1211. That is the simulation method, historic simulation method. As per the next method, you can see here, first sheet and second sheet is VC approach. It will show the maximum how much we will lose under the variance covariation method. It shows that 4,307 rupees. Maximum we will use. That is level of certainty. You know, in statistics, we have used the 95% confidence level. So it shows that around 4,307 rupees. In one method, it shows around 4,307 because it will identify only the variations, in which time there is heavy variations reported. It will give more importance to that one. So be clear, based upon that one, in this portfolio, if it is equal, you will lose 1211 as per the simulation method, which was created by Warren Buffett. But the statistical method, based upon the covariance, it says that you will lose maximum 4,307. That is the value at risk if you are investing. It won't consider the returns. Okay. So now what you are going to do, this is the basic one. You are going to change the proportion. Which proportion will gain minimum loss? Be clear. You have to use your common sense. So this is the example in which I am creating equally. So you have to create, if you want to interpret, you can mention this heading, interpretation. Interpretation. First one, that is ITC. Second one, Tata Motors. I'm using Tata. Then Nippon ETF. If you are investing equally, that is, if you are investing 10,000 rupees equally, remember that it is 10,000 value at risk, VAR. Oh, this is 10,000. The value at risk will be 1,211. Let us make it 1,211. That means we are losing. Now we will change the proportion. First I am changing, I am increasing ITC to 15,000. Okay. You can make the proportion as like that. So it shows that you can see minus 1,413. That means it is once again saying that more risk if you are increasing the ITC shares. So you can see if I am mentioning 15,000 in ITC, remaining thing equally 10,000. This is the trial and error method we will use. Here 1,431 we lose. Okay, now I'm going to increase the Tata Motors, making ITC as same amount 10,000. I'm changing the Tata Motors. Investment in Tata Motors as 15,000 rupees. See what will be the variable. Here also it shows 1,431. That means both are having equal variance. One thousand one four three. Sorry, 1413.
The Tata is 15,000, sir.
Yes, this is Tata 15,000. Okay. You can see the difference maximum. So we can't increase the ITC and Tata Motors. If you are increasing investment in ITC and Tata Motors, risk is more. So let us increase the Nippon. Okay. 10,000 I am changing to 15,000. Here also it goes more. 10,000. You can check that one by trial and error method. Which method we can use to decrease the value at risk. Okay, that is very important. Instead of
Written it wrong, sir. Nippon 15,000 and value at risk is 1413.
1413. Okay.
And Nippon is 15,000.
This is 15,000. Likewise, you have to make simultaneous method, trial and error. If you are changing the value for each and everything, what will happen? It is in your view. That is the method of changing the portfolio, which we can decrease the risk. Okay. Let us see, I am making this one as reducing ITC as 5,000. What will happen? You can see it is decreasing. Once again, it goes to 1,211 maximum loss. So this is the trial and error method. Based upon that, you have to take decision which investment the risk is less. But remember that if the risk is less means return will also be less. That is the thumb rule. If the risk is more, return will also be more. This is how we are calculating the portfolio decisions. The aim is what will be the maximum value we will lose in case of our investment. Likewise, you can make some trial and error for interpretation. I created for 1, 2, 3, 4 combination. You can go for minimum 5 combinations. Okay. Do it for minimum 5 combinations. And finally, which one you are going to select, you have to mention here. You have to highlight that one. If you want to select this one, you can highlight that one. Which one is suitable? Best plan. That is the concept today. Okay. So be clear. This is called the VAR, that is value at risk. This is useful to find out what will be the maximum loss in the investment. And this is used for creating a nice portfolio. According to Warren Buffett, he used to mention the concept of value at risk. The portfolio which is having less risk or maximum loss, we never go. But he is saying that if it produces the maximum loss, in future it will also create maximum gain. The rule of the thumb is, in case of finance, if there is more risk, more premium. If there is less risk, the premium will also be high. That is how the Warren Buffett used to analyze. So, as an financial analyst, if somebody is asking you which portfolio we can invest, you will say first, we can invest in ITC, Tata Motors, Nippon. They are all getting good returns. Then they will ask, okay, now you are saying good returns. In future, like another COVID-2 may come, which now they are saying that from UK COVID, African COVIDs, these are all coming. So in such case, whether I am ready to lose, how much maximum you lose, we have to find out the risk level. This is the alternative approach for the beta. Once upon a time, we used to calculate the beta of the portfolio, but now the tradition has been changed. We are calculating the value at risk. So, dear students, create for minimum 5 alternatives. Here it is for only 4 or 3. You can change the proportion of your investments and find out in which we will get minimum loss, so that if the minimum loss is good, that alternative we can create the portfolio. This is the VR method proposed by the Warren Buffett. Here also there are two methods. The traditional method is variance and covariance approach. In this method, we need not worry, it will create based upon the maximum standard deviation. But simulation method works based upon the how much it will change in each and every portfolio. Okay, now you are going to tell your results. What is the combination you can go for? Yes, Subhashri, which combination you are going to select?
Sir,
For your portfolio, which is getting minimum loss. Have you identified for your portfolio?
sir,
What,
like how
what are
much?
all the companies you have selected?
Same only, sir. ITC, Tata Motors, and Nippon.
Why, ma? Then whether you worked with different alternative, you increased Tata Motors or decreased in Tata Motors, and have you identified?
So one doubt I
Yes.
have.
Yes, Praniti
So
said.
I have taken 3 different companies,
Hmm.
and when I am giving 10,000 for each, I am getting the same answer, like the same variance as yours. How is that?
How it is possible? It won't be like, you might have changed some, whether you removed that one,
Which one, sir?
the balance here.
Yes, sir. Yes, I did it.
You can check. Another thing, the variations is based upon BSC only. It calculated from the BSC, but it will be differing. See that
I
one.
did the same. Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm also getting same, sir.
Same, equal weightage.
Yes, sir.
Then you can check your downloaded one, the Excel sheet, whether any changed some formula when you are downloaded. Here the formula is working correct now. It is based upon the cumulative average because there will be only less difference because we are using only BSc data. But definitely there will be difference. Check whether you have used that one. When you are downloading the template, here in this template, the formula is correct. Everything is variable, variance. Everything changed. If you are changing anything, you can check. I will check. You can make some changes and check whether this VAR is changing. Say for example, asset price. Then you can check whether your template is working well. Template is nothing but here the returns. Returns means it will compare the previous two columns and find out that one. Then the portfolio change. This also based upon the combination of all these things. Then the order. This only will be same some cases because in case of BSc it will follow the same thing.
Sir, one doubt in that variance part
Which variance?
near the
Here.
no, that not that one. That in that table variance historic. Yeah,
Yes.
next to that 1211.51, it's already given there.
Mm.
So how is that formula created? L22.
You can see that one.
But L22 is blank cell, I guess. If P39.
L22. I'll see. This one. This no.
Yes, sir. It's based on the historic simulation they
simulation.
have. So it's same for all, right?
Yes, here
They
historic
compare.
where at position. Here, how many companies you have selected? 3. We can change that one. Historic variable is at position. But you have to change whether this is changing. Where here minus 6529, whether there's a change here?
Yes, so that's different.
Whether it is changing in your template. You can check that one. Try to download because some cases BSc will have equal variance, but anyhow there will be a difference because the companies are different. If all are gaining in same level, the same result will come. Say for example, if you selected same banking companies, the result will be same. That is what Warren Buffett is arguing. It will indirectly reflect only the BSc. If you select BSc one and then another one in NYSE, another one in Berlin Stock Exchange, the result will be more different.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what Subhashri? Have you worked out with different alternatives?
Yes, sir.
Which one is best? Where we can reduce, where we can increase?
So now actually I'm changing the company and doing so. I think I got some mistakes.
Okay.
I'm working on it, sir.
So dear students, with this Excel templates, everything over. So for your activity, if you are coming in college or if you are having online examinations, study all these templates, and based upon that there will be question. You have to work in the templates and upload the answer. But if you are coming to college, we won't give the templates. You have to study the templates, the formula, everything you have to do according to that one. Okay. So go through these templates and all these exercise you can save in your laptop clearly, because for your practical exam it will be helpful. Theory exam you are going to tell clearly what are all the procedures we have followed for all these practicals. That is for theory exam. Okay. Tomorrow onwards only theory, or I have already given in LMS only that syllabus. Anyhow, Bala sir will handle 1 or 2 classes for you regarding the R, because I think some of you have not studied the R. So Bala sir will handle the R programming, the basic things in last unit. Okay. So save everything in your laptop clearly. Try to work with all these things. In next semester, we will have the another 10 exercise. So we have to work out that one. So in this semester, we are completing the finance analytics practical with all this data. Okay. So try to complete and upload correctly. Remaining things are only theory questions. Okay. Yes, Durga Prasad, I completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am stopping the sharing. Yes, now you can come switch on your video, camera, switch on your camera. Just as Sam.
Yes, sir.
You are there. Where is your friend Sam? Just as. Oh, Praneeth. What you are saying, I am able to hear just as.
Yes, sir.
You can inform Sam that I have marked him absent. Okay. Boja is that Spandana.
Okay, sir. Sam is here, sir, but
Why he is not coming to class then? He is sleeping.
no, sir. He must be sleeping, sir. I don't know. He was there in the class, but
Yes, in the class and sleeping. Okay. Okay. You have to smile like Bill Gates. I am closing that one. Bye. We will meet tomorrow. I think second hour. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.